Hello, everyone, and welcome back to a useful episode of Select English. This is Emily, your host, guiding you through today's shadowing practice. We are focusing on ordering food abroad in English, a vital skill for enjoying meals confidently while traveling or dining in international settings. Mastering restaurant phrases ensures smooth interactions and delightful experiences. This session is convenient for various times. Practice before meals, during travel planning, on a commute, or in a relaxed space. Shadowing is practical and efficient. Listen to my voice and repeat each phrase simultaneously. Match my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as feasible. Accuracy is less critical than building polite confidence. Let us begin. Excuse me, do you have a table for two? Excuse me, do you have a table for two? We have a reservation under Smith. We have a reservation under Smith. Can we sit by the window? Can we sit by the window? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Could I see the menu, please? Could I see the menu, please? Do you have a special today? Do you have a special today? What is the soup of the day? What is the soup of the day? I will need a moment. I will need a moment. I am ready to order now. I am ready to order now. For starter, the salad, please. For starter, the salad, please. I will have the grilled fish. I will have the grilled fish. With rice on the side. With rice on the side. Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Can you make it mild? Can you make it mild? No onions in mine, please. No onions in mine, please. I prefer it well done. I prefer it well done. Do you have vegetarian options? Do you have vegetarian options? Gluten-free dishes available? Gluten-free dishes available? I have a nut allergy. I have a nut allergy. Please avoid peanuts entirely. Please avoid peanuts entirely. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? The local specialty, perhaps. The local specialty, perhaps. House wine by the glass? House wine by the glass? Sparkling water, please. Sparkling water, please. Could I have more bread? Could I have more bread? Another napkin, if possible. Another napkin, if possible. This is delicious, thank you. This is delicious, thank you. Compliments to the chef. Compliments to the chef. May I have the dessert menu? May I have the dessert menu? The chocolate cake sounds good. The chocolate cake sounds good. With ice cream on top. With ice cream on top. Coffee to finish, please. Coffee to finish, please. Can we have separate checks? Can we have separate checks? The bill when ready. The bill when ready. I will pay by card. I will pay by card. Keep the change, thank you. Keep the change, thank you. Everything was excellent. Everything was excellent. Service was wonderful, too. Service was wonderful, too. We will come back soon. We will come back soon. Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. Ordering politely opens hospitality. Ordering politely opens hospitality. Clear requests avoid mistakes. Clear requests avoid mistakes. Questions show interest. Questions show interest. Gratitude builds rapport. Gratitude builds rapport. Cultural differences influence menus. Cultural differences influence menus. Local dishes enrich travel. Local dishes enrich travel. Adaptations accommodate needs. Adaptations accommodate needs. Confidence enhances enjoyment. Confidence enhances enjoyment. Shadowing develops seamless dialogue. Shadowing develops seamless dialogue. Repetition embeds courtesy phrases. Repetition embeds courtesy phrases. Intonation conveys politeness. Intonation conveys politeness. Your proficiency is advancing. Your proficiency is advancing. Outstanding participation today, everyone. This shadowing session on ordering food abroad is now complete. You can now handle restaurant interactions more assuredly in English. Practice these phrases on your next outing. Return soon for more topics on Select English. This is Emily. Thank you for your dedication. Order with ease, savor the flavors, and continue improving. Until next time.